Duster over your pie hole. Alright, let's go. Fly from the middle?
Yeah, let's go.
Gotta make some adjustments. Do you have ball joint pliers?
I might.
I'll have to adjust this on the next flight. Hey, is he doing carrier landings?
Look at that.
Yeah, it won't move.
That's so nuts.
I flew that for him last week. That thing's a blast. It's a different way of flying. It stays, yeah. It's I forget how many ounces. 30 ounces.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
Skysword.
That's right. It's always dog tracks. See, it's going.
It's going sideways.
Yeah.
You can't find like freewing gear.
I can, but I'm not going to mess with it if it's working. Okay.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Take it up.
China cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, this thing is quick.
Good. Whoa! Holy crap! It's like a bullet.
Yeah, this part is
5,500.
gain on the gyro.
Too high.
It was
Oh, see the shake. Behind you.
Time remaining. 3 minutes.
Yep.
we needed one.
Looks right now. It's got a fiery butt. Okay. Needs a fiery butt. I like the sound that thing makes when it's going full speed. It's got this howl. Hey, what's that thing doing there? Oh my God, really?
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
Let's see if I can do some slow stuff with you.
Ready, left, right. I'm gonna land behind him.
Come on in.
That's what Nate did. He told me like that. I had to pay back a favor.
Yeah, that 9-blade screams in that thing.
Good, yeah.
Hey, I'm over the runway, guys.
All right.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Now you know it's going fast. When it does that,
What the?
yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That thing's screaming. That pack, it likes that pack.
30 seconds.
Listen to that noise. You hear that?
Yeah.
I'm at the end of my pack, so I'm like almost dead. It likes that pack, dude.
Oh, this is quick. My goodness.
What is it? What's that noise from?
9, 8, 7,
I did.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
People watching the video are gonna be like, "Why the hell was he looking
Time
away?"
expired.
I'm coming in.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Dude, that thing hauls. You got me thinking now.
This Mirage is...
And that's stock. But you got the bigger, happier pack in there. Much lower voltage drop.
Flaps up.
That's pretty impressive. The sound it was making at full throttle, holy crap. Once you got the speed wound up,
Landing!
you're clear.
It just wants to go.
I'm impressed with that.
It's a good nose heavy,
Doesn't look it. Maybe the elevator went a little numb.
Yeah, I think that if I could see that landing back, maybe a 5,000, which is good. 55 is good.
I bet you a 5030C would be perfect. That's impressive. I just wish that an American nation had the plane. I don't like. Oops. What's making it make that noise? I like the gear on that too.
It's not bad, yeah.